Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how the manual versus direct scheduling of Instagram stories works in Kontentino. First, choose a date and start creating a post. In the post creation modal, choose the post type of your choice from the upper section: a photo, a reel, a carousel post with text, or a story. Let's create a story. You can either upload the media from your device or select it from the media library. For each post type, you can choose to publish it either directly from Kontentino or manually. If you choose the direct publishing option, your post, once scheduled, will be automatically published by Kontentino. Choosing the manual publishing option means once you schedule a post, you will receive a push notification via Kontentino mobile app 5 minutes before the scheduled time to publish your post manually. These options are particularly important for Instagram Stories publishing. The direct publishing method does not support several features, such as adding text, stickers, music, location, and other Instagram features. In case you wish to enhance your stories further using these features, the manual publishing method is the right choice for you. And that's it. In case you have any questions or need our assistance, feel free to reach out to our customer support. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.